Finally, quiet na. Just me, this phone, and a whole lot of thoughts na they could not talaga mapigilan. I don't even have a catchy title or a fancy intro for this. I just needed to start. Gabi na naman. Kakatapos lang ng trabaho and ito ako. No makeup, messy hair, tired eyes. If I waited until I felt ready or until everything looks perfect, this would never happen. So I'm starting this not to be an influencer or to have some big platform. I'm starting this just to have a space to be me. Simple lang. Sometimes it's hard to find someone to talk to in the way we actually think. Kaya dito, no rules. I'll speak in Tagalog, English, or in Bicol. Whatever feels right in the moment. Kung anong pumasok sa isip ko habang nakatingin sa kisame. Yun ang pag-usapan natin. I'm tired of trying to be enough for everyone else. Tonight, I'm just Zach. Not an employee, not a perfect person. Just a human being existing in the middle of the night. Trying to find my voice. If you're listening and you feel the same way, na parang kailangan mo lang ng space to breathe without being judged, tambay ka lang. Hindi kailangan magaling, hindi kailangan oragon agad. We're just here to express, not to impress. This is just the beginning. Salamat sa pag-iba sa kuya tonight. This is my truth for now. I'll talk to you soon. Tulog na kita.